22. What? 23. 24. Okay. 25. 26. 27.
That's a strong boat.
28. Yeah. 29. 30. Yeah, let's see if it'll still float. Oh, it's heavy, but it's
Still
floating.
floating? Why do you think it's floating?
I think it's the width and the dimension of the boat a little bit.
It's a
And
wide base
also,
is probably
the
helping.
base is also helping because it wasn't like curved up and sort of,
Right.
because it needs a nice, good, strong base. So we're just at 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, oh my, 35, 36, 37, oh,
Still floating.
38, 39, 40.
Okay, Pari, now look at the level, how far it's gone down. Is it touching the base of the sink?
Let me see.
Let's just see.
No,
Still
it's
floats.
still,
Oh, it's still floating.
Yep, it's still floating.
Wow.
Oh, thank you, Mom. 41, 42. Oh, it's still good. 40.